From ancient times to the present, Chinese medicated diet has always been unique in Chinese cuisine. The ancient medicine king Sun Si Mao once said in the 1,000 Gold Prescriptions, "Husband as a doctor, small patients should be treated. First, know what he has committed. Rule it with reality. Diet treatment does not heal. Then understand. The emphasis is to use medication after diet therapy. The body is nourished. The disease will be cured." In the great theory of the 4 systems of Suan, it is said to make it peaceful. Autumn travel. Thin face artifact. Make autumn series flat. Autumn needs to nourish blood and coagulate, moisturizing and dead. So, after autumn, you need to nourish yin and nourish blood. Diet is a top priority. Prepare 18 grams of gold needles, 20 g soybeans, 14.5 grams round meat, 10 g lotus seeds, 13 grams. After blanching the pork, add to casserole with other ingredients and water. Bring to a boil over high heat, then turn to low heat and cook for about 2 hours. Just add salt to taste before serving. No need to add any other seasonings.